this is going to be my actual, I'm going to say this is my official Maiden. I did try flying it at the cow pasture, but the weather was really bad. I really couldn't get a good feel for the plane, and so I'm not gonna, yes, that was technically a Maiden, but it was just really bad conditions. I couldn't get the trim right, and I just had all kinds of issues that were false, you know, as far as, because when your wind's all messed up and you got a lot of wind, it's hard to tell what a plane really is doing. Well, right now there's maybe a mile-an-hour wind right now. Let me show you the windsock. See the windsock and the flag? They ain't moving. So not enough wind to even make a move. So perfect conditions. This is the Air Tractor by e-flite. Got her together a couple of days ago. Y'all saw the build video. So let's take her off. Just to let you know, I am running an HRB 3600 4-cell in her. Put kind of in the middle, kind of up front to the middle, because yeah, that's what I thought. I had the trim on my radio was set back too far for too much up elevator, and that's why she's climbing too much for me. Not the plane's fault, I just forgot to reset the... Alright, but I will tell you this, Jason Merkel, Horizon Hobby, you're right. This plane does fly just like a low wing timber. That's probably about one of the best descriptions I could probably give it, as a low wing timber. All right, we got our flaps all the way down. So let's do a nice slow pass here. Nice slow approach there. Oh yeah, talk about a nice stable plane. Very friendly plane. Very friendly plane. Let's get her lined up for a landing here. And like I've always said, whenever you're just starting a plane, you're just learning a plane, whatever you do, don't just start doing crazy stuff with it. You want to learn the plane. And let me go in here. I think the mix part for the flaps is a bit much. I really do. I think it's a bit much. I've got going down just a little too much when I got my flaps. Let's try no mix on the elevator and see how I like that. All right, we're going to do takeoff flaps. All right, that's takeoff flaps. Let's get turned around here. The wind, if you want to say there's wind, is kind of out of the southwest. So let's turn towards the southwest here. Oh. Bring her down for a medium speed pass. Oh, a nice coordinated turn there. Another nice coordinated turn. I think I got her trimmed just the way I like her. Oh yeah, all right. Right. Okay, now a rudder turn, obviously. We're just turning with ailerons right now. We're going to get her turned around here.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Oh, look at that. Look at that. Is that not beautiful? Let's get further out. See if we can't bring her in for a nice landing here. Whoa. Okay. I wasn't lined up just right and I hit that. But that's spatial awareness. Make sure we don't have any kind of damage here. I don't think we do. Yeah, I think we're okay. I'm gonna turn the prop off. Yeah, we're all right. Prop back on. Let's get lined up here, get further out. Let's come around on this side more of the runway. Whoa, she's rambunctious. There, let's get turned around here and do takeoff flaps.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Yeah, 1 minute. Oh, that's a beautiful bird right there. Boy, that is. That is one graceful. I know she's an air tractor, a utility plane, but there we go. All right. Well, anyways, after the bounce should landed good. Well, there it is, folks. That's the e-flite air tractor with Norman in there as Amelia, not Amelia, RC Sailor's wife, Abby, called it Norman. So well, thank you for watching. That's Fat Guy Flies RC. That is the e-flite tractor. You a happy bird? You're a happy bird. Thank you for watching. This is Fat Guy Flies RC. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And that was a successful official maiden. Thank you for watching. A little bouncy on the landing gear, but hey, I'm going to figure it out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless.